We are Velohub, a team of 5 engineers and cyclists with a clear goal: make cycling safer. It's amazing to see how many people have joined us since the beginning of our journey. We have been 1 year working on our first product, blinkers.
We, cyclists, are the most vulnerable users of the road. 2 wheels to balance, no chassis to protect us, and we still need to use our hands to communicate with cars. Blinkers is the one thing that was missing for cyclists to be safer and to be a natural part of the road. It starts with the regular bike lights that you know. But blinkers actually packs everything you need to be seen, understood, and respected by everyone else in the road. With blinkers, cars will always know when you are turning and when you are braking. A laser projection makes you even more visible and allows cars to understand better what is your space and what is their space. Blinkers were designed to fit in your life. It has no buttons and turns on as soon as you plug it in. Blinkers also has a powerful battery and is very easy to recharge. Blinkers is the ultimate safety solution for cyclists.
Hey Indiegogo! It has been a long journey, but it's thanks to all the people that has joined us that we made it so far. We did a successful Kickstarter last year in which we used the funds to take the product to the level where we are now. We teamed up with Tweel, a top Swiss engineering company, for the technical development of the product, in which we take blinkers to a stage that is ready for serial production. And that's now where we come to Indiegogo. We need your support to give the last push to blinkers and make it a reality. Let's make cycling safer.
Der Weg zu mehr Ausdauer führt über den Sauerstoff. Doch der Weg zu mehr Sauerstoff folgt jetzt einem neuen Plan: dem Ameo Fresh Air System. Das intelligente Ventilsystem trennt erstmals Aus- und Einatmung klar voneinander. Warum? Beim klassischen Schnorchel bleibt stets verbrauchte Atemluft im System. Dadurch wird vermehrt Kohlendioxid eingeatmet. Die Leistungsfähigkeit sinkt. Anders das Ameo Fresh Air System. Es leitet verbrauchte Luft und Feuchtigkeit konsequent nach außen. Die Atemluft bleibt sauerstoffreich und trocken. Ameo Fresh Air System. 100% Frischluft für 100% Ausdauerleistung.
Yantouch, portable romantic.
Ready for the next revolution in 3D storytelling? Introducing SID. SID delivers the most stable 3D experience ever, compared to any other 3D video cameras today. We have researched and tested other 3D cameras, and most of them promise stability in shooting, but can't deliver. SID is portable for photographers, lightweight for adventurers, and convenient for content creators. That lack of stability creates a lot of dizziness and is no fun for VR headsets. SID promises stability, making the experience that more immersive. When SID is combined with a smartphone and a gimbal, users can see the real-time image and control the camera through the app on their phone, making the experience convenient, much more stable, and even more immersive than ever before. You can also edit and share your stories easily on the SID application. SID can be used to live stream by simply connecting to your PC, tablet, or smartphone. It can also add AR effects to your video live stream. With SID, you don't have to worry about carrying bulky 3D systems. It's ready to use in seconds. And you can take professional-looking photos with that wiggling background. SID is a revolution.
Michelin, a better way forward.
Oh What?
Johnny's going to be at the party. We have to go. We have to go like now.
No.
Like, or
Now.
John.
Wait, come on.
Go. Take it back.
Let's go. Yes, I'm coming. My phone's dead. I'll catch you later, girls, okay? I need to charge it.
You there?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
You cool? Here, take the anchor cable.
What is that?
Only the world's strongest cable. Unlike other phone cable companies, we won't speculate that you can lift weights with our cable. After all, why would you want to do that? How about we put anchor to the real test? Come on, let me show you what I mean. Sorry. Wrong room. This should be the right room. Welcome to Anchor Lab. This device here will be testing our cable by bending it 90 degrees both ways at a rate of 60 bends per minute. Let's see how long it will last for. We could be here forever, but hey, let's take it even further. So, for the final test, let's see if our cable can withstand the forces beyond our planet. As you can see, our cables are harder, better, faster, stronger.